Bootsie! Bootsie will not stop talking. Bootsy's saying, meow, 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 come over here and see me. This cute little girl is at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Yeah, you tell them. And she's a very sweet girl. Headbutt to you, too. She's about 3.5 years old. And, oh yeah, sweetheart. Oh. She has lived with a gentle dog before and was very friendly.
Was this one?
Oh yeah, Bootsie. Now you're going to be all quiet, huh?
Did she just recently have surgery or something?
She may have. You know,
No, I just felt it. It was very sharp, and I felt it on my arm.
it may be.
Yeah, you're going to roll over and be all affectionate now, huh, Bootsie? Yeah, you feel very much like a rabbit. Got a little noisy around here, isn't it? You know, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bootsie. Oh, yes, you show off how beautiful you are. Yeah. You're so a beautiful girl. Bye-bye.
Yeah, absolutely. All their vaccines.